In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App transfer failed. Now, a transfer failed error on Cash App usually stems from issues like insufficient funds, incorrect details, or security restrictions. And here's how to fix it based on common causes. So number one is you always want to go ahead and check your Cash App balance. You want to make sure that your Cash App balance or your linked bank account has enough funds to cover the transfer. And it also needs to have enough to cover any fees. So fees are typically like 0.5% of the actual transaction to 1.75% of the transaction for instant transfers. So you want to make sure that you do have enough money. And if you do need money, then you need to go ahead and press on add money and then just link your bank account and just press on add cash if you really need to. And next up, you want to verify the recipient details. So please double check the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email. A typo can cause the transfer to fail. You want to make sure you always save the contact in the app and try a small test transfer first before you send the whole amount. Also, you need to confirm linked bank/card. So ensure that your linked debit or credit card or bank account is valid and not expired. If you need to go ahead and update it or check on it, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the top right to your profile picture icon. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then you're going to see an option that does say linked banks. And then you just want to go ahead and check that whatever link banks you have are actually valid and they're not expired or whatever like that. So yeah, you may need to go ahead and delete some like linked banks or cards, and you may need to go ahead and add some. So please keep that in mind. Also, whenever you are doing Cash App transactions, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can disrupt transfers, so please switch to reliable Wi-Fi or 4G/5G and retry. It's also good practice to make sure that you do have the most up-to-date version of Cash App, so an updated Cash App may glitch. So please check for any updates in the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android. Another reason why this could be happening is that your account was flagged for suspicious activity. So Cash App's fraud detection may flag large, rapid, or unusual transfers. So please avoid sending to new or unverified recipients. If flagged, you may need to wait a few hours or even a day before retrying. By the way, please make sure that your Cash App account is fully verified. Unverified Cash App accounts have limits of $1,000 sending and $1,500 receiving within 30 days. So please verify your settings. Make sure you go ahead and press on the top right, select on your profile icon, then you want to go ahead and select on personal. And from there, you are able to go ahead and just verify your identity. So please make sure to go ahead and do that. You will need your social security number and a government issued ID in order to lift any restrictions. But if the error still persists, then what I want you guys to do is I want you to go back to the top right, and this time I want you to go ahead and scroll down and press on support. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and scroll down even more, and you want to select on this option that does say chat. There's also a bunch of articles that you guys could read as well, but in my opinion, like the most effective thing to do is just chat with someone directly. So go ahead and scroll down, press on chat, and then you just want to go ahead and explain your situation, explain to them that you're trying to get your Cash App account fixed and that you're trying to send payments. Then the representative should help you through. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.